welcome back to another vlog and hope you guys have all been well. So we are currently in, where are we?
The Mall of Emirates. Quick snack. Well, we call it quick snack, but it's still filling.
So guys, check out the display. I really like this, the way they've done it, so you get to see how your meal's gonna look. Having the chicken katsu curry, we're having the chili garlic ramen, and then we're having the sushi.
They do the ramen in a Thai style flavor with chili and garlic. We're gonna be having that ramen, and we're gonna mix it with some California rolls. We're excited. Let's try it. I have to have it like this.
So what we have here is a chicken katsu curry with a white steamed rice,
Ramen, garlic chili, miso soup, California roll, some salad.
the dip to go with it as well. Check out the pile there,
all
guys.
different dips. That's all chili and garlic there. I'm gonna soup it later.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's gonna be a chop there.
Oh
my god. Oh my god.
Is that flavoursome?
Chili's so crunchy, the garlic and that. This has been the best one that I've had so far.
Okay guys, I'm going in with the katsu curry. Oh, so gooey. That's the way I like it. What
Nice
I'm
and
going to
thick.
do is I'm going to just chuck that onto my chicken.
This is really good food for a food court, isn't it? I'm actually surprised. The other day's panda was nice, but I'm really surprised with this Japanese
I'm going
food.
a little bit more with the curry sauce, guys.
But you've got to drop some of that pepper. Look at that green pepper. Okay,
This one?
Yeah. Oh, that's the one. That's the money bite. Oh,
Whoa.
that's gonna be the money bite. Did it work? Did that flavor work? It's got crispy garlic in there.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Oh yeah. Let me just taste a bit of this first.
Oh my god, I'm gonna have to stand up for this one. Have put a beef piece in your mouth straight away. Watch how succulent the beef is. So soft. Do you see how the beef melts? Be honest, did the beef melt in your mouth?
It's gone.
That was quick.
Within seconds, guys.
So I'm gonna have to take a bit of wasabi. Which one do I want? Red or yellow?
Oh, eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I want a big
So you've
one.
got to go that way.
So we put a bit of wasabi, paste it on there like margarine. Yeah?
Not too much,
Like
RJ,
butter.
not too much.
Oh, that's gonna give me a buzz. It's gonna
will
give me
give
a
you a
shock.
buzz.
Go ginger, sit it on top. We've got the sushi sauce. Yeah?
Oh yeah.
Now I'm gonna get a bit of soy because we love it juicy.
Juicy,
We like
juicy,
it
guys.
soaking. California, here I come.
How was that?
For the first time, got the wasabi amount spot on.
Oh
No
yes,
steam,
it wasn't
no
too
butter,
much. RJ
something with that.
always preps our sushis for us, guys. He does it so perfectly.
There you go.
What is he doing there? He's going in with something else, guys.
There we go. So soft like the batter. Just for that dressing, I'm having a salad. If I had that recipe, I'd eat salad every day. Oh my god. You've got to taste this. Oh my god. Amazing. Some people don't like tofu. I don't actually mind it.
So guys, whilst RJ is just sipping away at his noodles, we are going to be off, but we'll try and show you guys what we get up to today, guys. See ya! Guys, we had to show you this. This is the World Islands, and check it out. So it's currently under development. So this is Sweden, and check it out, guys. That's the overview. Germany here. Check that out.
ये जर्मन विला ये जर्मन विला 5 बेडरूम
They have Venice, guys. They have
ये वाले
Venice.
जर्मन विला
Currently at Jumeirah village. Check it out. So nice and peaceful.
So nice.
And we're just touring around. There's some beautiful villas on the other side. So you live peacefully with tranquility.
Check it out. There's no one even walking down the streets, guys.
how
It's
quiet.
amazing.